Hey everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful just to share with you really quickly for a few minutes. First of all, I appreciate each of you. I'm grateful for everyone that's on my full-time freedom team. You guys are doing a fantastic job. Teamwork definitely makes the dream work. And so I'm very grateful to be on week 85 of vacation. God has truly blessed me to earn a profit weekly in an industry where 99.6% of people never get into profit. And I get paid from multiple income streams. So I'm very grateful for that. And so if you're open to follow super simple directions, let's connect. My number 618-223-6006, or hit me up on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook Messenger. So a few years ago, I walked away from a 30-year career as a physical therapist assistant to help people start living their dreams and to start living my dreams as well. Not that I wasn't already traveling, but that was my focus, was travel. So I was just putting together some stuff on Facebook, a few posts here on some of the savings. Guys, while you're healthy, definitely travel as much as you can. Okay, so we're doing a 3-day Blessed Business Challenge or practice, whichever you want to call it is fine. So 3 times a day for 3 days for 5 minutes. Think, say, and feel. If you want to write it out, that's fine too. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All of my businesses are blessed beyond belief. Okay? You see, I have 2 intentions, and that is to smile and be grateful. Those are the only 2 intentions I've had for over 3.5 years. So I'm here to help you in business. I'm here to help you get some results. So you can go to marlenag.com and see what that's all about. So this is for 3 days. Like I said, 5 minutes, 3 times a day. Think, say, and feel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All of my businesses are blessed beyond belief. Okay, and then for 3 days, guys, you got to get money right, okay? Money is in your mind. It's a mindset. It's not about how much you work. Money is a mindset, whether you're allowing or disallowing money in your thoughts and feelings about money, okay? So 3-day money beyond belief business practice. So for 3 days, 5 minutes a day, think, say, and feel. Thank you, thank you, thank you for money beyond belief. I feel so good. Okay? Super simple, but it's going to be powerful. Then you want to invite 5 to 10 people to join you in the challenge. Okay? If you're looking for a business, go to automaticbuilder.com, say yes now, and get started with us there. Okay? So super, super simple. So let me show you the power of 5. Guys, the only way we get anything done is to come together as people. If you want to build a church, a school, an organization, anything, you're going to have to empower people. So our full-time freedom team is always doing a 2 to 10K text challenge, okay? You simply invite people to see a video. That's all you really have to do. You're already texting people. Just say, hey, by the way, could you take a look at something, okay? Get their permission first. So the power of 5, even if you got paid $1 per person, you would still amass a nice amount of money. Okay, so we're going to build 4- and 5-figure phonepreneurs. You can get started today in one of our businesses. It's free to join or start for $22. If you and your team help 5 by 6, you could earn a potential $14,000 a month. Okay, there are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary because we have no idea what you're going to do with it. So you can take 2 simple steps to full-time freedom. You can go to 1111wealth.weebly.com, or you can go to my website, marlenag.com. Guys, have a fun day. Whatever you do, decide to have fun, be joyful, smile, and be grateful. My number is 618-223-6006. Thank you so much. God's best.